The PNP will continue to implement more reforms to make the organization more responsive to the peace and order needs of the people. The details of this report from Emil Carion.
They are in street corners and places of convergence in our communities, the police force of the Philippine National Police. There are issues in and around the PNP. Though positive or negative, they never wane in service. The badge on their shoulders is always the meter stick to serve. They are the protectors, symbols of discipline. Through the program Radyo Vision Media ng Bayan, the Philippine National Police bared its efforts.
Ang Lambat Sibat isang policing business model, no? Na naging matagumpay, naging very effective. May mga proof tayo, no, at ebidensya na magpapatunay na ito ay talagang magaling at responsive dito sa problema natin. So nagsimula ito sa NCRPO at ngayon ay seryosong pinapatupad ng ating Secretary of the Interior and Chairman ng NAPOLCOM, si Secretary Marojas.
On a wide scale, nationwide scale, sir?
Nag-start tayo dito lang sa NCRPO.
NCR?
And then nagkakascade na.
Radical change is implemented within the organization. There is no let-up to reach the level of an ideal target of the PNP.
Pending na PNP reorganization and modernization bill sa Congress. Ma-address yung mga, kung ano pa yung mga kulang at kung ano pa yung dapat gagawin para magiging effective, capable, and credible ang ating national police.
No work is too heavy or too challenging for the police to turn their back.
Issue sa kriminalidad,
yes,
hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan lang sa kapulisan natin.
Okay.
Kailangan ng tulong-tulong ng lahat sa barangay, yung mga barangay tanod, yung mga security guards, and everybody. Yung sinabi nga, maalala ko pa si, I think it is Robert Till, yung famous, yung nag-establish ng London Police. Na sinabi niya, the community are the police and the police are the community.
Ayun.
In times of need, dangerous situations, in the name of public service, always at hand is the Philippine National Police. Reporting for the People's Television, this is Emil Carion.